Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to increase the mic input volume on your Windows computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to start menu and go to settings gear icon, click on it. You just need to select the system over here. In here left side you just need to select sound. On right side you just need to scroll down guys. Input, you just need to choose your input devices. Multiple devices connected to your computer, you just need to select that. You just need to want it. And this is mic volume is increased by talking it. You can test your microphone guys by managing sound devices. Click on it and you can disable it by input devices connected to your microphone, multiple devices connected to it, and go back and scroll down. You can also anything problem with it microphone, you can also troubleshoot guys. Click on troubleshoot. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problem. After finishing your troubleshooter, close out of here and close out of here guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.